But when this orange light is flashing, the battery tender tells me that power is applied, battery is not connected properly. I know it's connected properly, so unfortunately this battery discharged too much electricity and it needs to be replaced. Alright, since this battery won't charge, I'm going to disconnect the negative first. This would take a 10mm socket, but I'm just going to use an adjustable to loosen these screws. We'll take the negative off first, like I said. And now we'll take the positive off. All right. And now we'll go get another battery. Since we're in a hurry, I'm going to have Madison go pick up a new battery for me, but I'll put a link in the description as to where you can get one at a really great price. All right, we will hook up the SuperStart battery. And I will attach the positive terminal first. All right, we'll get this grass out of here. Little winter nest. Got it on, start the choke. There we go. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.